Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not working on Samsung S25 Plus. If you're not getting notifications for new messages or calls, follow along with the tutorial for the solution. So first, what we need to do is check system notification settings. So how do we do that? We basically go to settings and now head over to apps. Now here, what we need to find is WhatsApp, and now check if the notifications are not blocked. So make sure they are allowed. Now, what we need to check is if our Do Not Disturb mode is turned off, because it might be the reason for us not getting notifications from WhatsApp. So go to Control Center and now slide down this little here. And now click on the Do Not Disturb icon to disable it. Now, because of the Do Not Disturb mode, it was not able to receive notifications. Now, it can receive notifications pretty clear. But if it's still not working, what we need to do is go and check if the background data restrictions are not enabled. Now, go to Settings, and here what we need to do is go to Apps, WhatsApp, and here we need to go to mobile data and Wi-Fi. So now click on mobile data, and here make sure that the allow background data usage is enabled, and it's enabled while data saver is on. Now, if this did not help, outdated versions of WhatsApp might have bugs that interfere with the notifications. So now check in the Play Store. Here, go to search and type WhatsApp and click on it, and here if there's a little icon called update, click it and restart WhatsApp after updating to check if notifications are working. Now, sometimes corrupted data on WhatsApp can cause notifications issues. So how do we fix that? We go back to settings and back to apps and WhatsApp. Here we need to go to storage. Now here, go to device gear, storage. Here, go to show more and select apps. Now find WhatsApp in here. And now we need to check if there is something called storage. Here we need to clear cache and clear data. And after we do that, we need to make sure that our chats are backed up, because clearing data will log you out of WhatsApp. Now, if it still did not help, we need to check if power saving settings are enabled correctly. So we go back to settings to the main page. And here we need to go to device gear and now battery. Here we need to ensure that power saving is off. And now what we need to do is go to background usage limits and now disable the put unused apps to sleep. Now, as you guys can see, it should be working. If it didn't, let me know in the comments, and if you have any other problems. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.